Want to transfer your e-commerce data from CSV files to WooCommerce and bring over all your stored data like products, categories, and brands? But hesitate because you think it's too complicated, don't want to put your online selling on hold, can't afford to spend a fortune on replatforming. Try Cart to Cart, #1 shopping cart migration service. With Cart to Cart, the migration is easy, even for non-techies. It takes about 5 minutes to set up. There's absolutely no risk for your data or your store. So to start your migration setup, go to shoppingcartmigration.com. Choose CSV and WooCommerce platforms from the drop-down menu and click Start Free Demo. When done, provide the URL of your current CSV file. Next, set WooCommerce as your target cart and provide its admin URL, login, and password. Once done, click the Choose Entities button to select the data types you'd like to migrate to WooCommerce. And choose the additional options like migrate images from descriptions, change products quantity to a 100, etc. Then, click the hamburger button to match your CSV file customer groups and order statuses to the corresponding ones on your new WooCommerce. After checking the demo results, you're all set to launch the full migration and move all of your CSV file data to the new WooCommerce store. More than 200,000 e-merchants have made their dream stores come true with Cart to Cart. Why don't you become one of them? You won't believe how simple it is. So go ahead and start your free demo migration at shoppingcartmigration.com right now.